firstly go to Google and then search AWS console. Then you will see a screen in front of you where you will paste the email ID that used to create a AWS account. After that you will paste the code which is given for multi-factor security purpose. After that clicking, you will enter your password and sign in. If your multi-factor authentication is not there, so you will be on the AWS UI. Okay, no problem. After that, what we'll do, firstly go to search bar, type EC2 and then click on, firstly go to search bar, type EC2 and then click on that, showing some UI, click on launch instance. After that we will give a name to our instance. We will create you choose any whatever name you like, you can choose, no problem. Today we are going to launch a Windows instance. After that we will create choose any instance types, it's like a default. After that click on create a key pair for security purpose, assign a key pair name, and then network setting is as a default because today we just need to launch and deploy our instance, so no need to make any changes in the network settings. So click on launch instance. So now we will wait as long as a successful initialization is not happening. We will wait. Now our initialization is successfully completed. So now go to Windows search bar, search RDP like a remote desktop connection, then click on that. Now paste your instance public IP and then click on and paste your password. If you don't want to go with this step, so you follow the next way. I am also go with the next step, second step, like second route. So firstly you select your instance, then click on connect, then go to RDP Client and then click on get password, paste your key pair file previously downloaded, click on decrypt password, then click on download RDP file, then open your RDP file, just click on connect. Now paste your password and then OK, and then click on yes. Just take a 2 to 3 minutes. Our instance is deployed. Only just 1 to 2 minutes of taken the time, no problem. You also deploy successfully your instance like a server. So our instance entirely fully launched. So we have completely deployed our Windows server. So you can also open a Microsoft Edge and folder, whatever you chose, anyone you can open. Just like our normal CPU works, we deploy as the same way. It remaining the same. When your practical work is finished, so now select your instance, click on instance state and then terminate. If you don't want to, like after you're completing, so you can follow this step. Okay.